Do you wonder how to store your quilling works without getting compressed one over the other and how to protect them from dust while storing? This video will help you find a way. Hi Quillers, in today's video I will show you how I store my quilling works. My quill greeting cards are stored separately from my artworks. First I will show how I store the artworks. I prefer using a carton box as they can be kept in any convenient place and easy to move when needed. The box should be perfectly big enough to fit in the works with some extra space above them. I place the framed and unframed works in the same box but in separate groups. Making the work stand vertical avoids the quilling being crushed by the weight of other works as compared to keeping them one above the other. This box is here in my hometown, so I have only few works in this box. This plastic folder is more handy when I need to take my works out safely. This box has my works which I took home from Malaysia. They travel more safely this way. Sometimes I store my supplies of a single project in this box, in one such box, when I need to quill when I go out. So I can have all my supplies, the papers, everything inside this, and I never miss them. And they are totally safe. These are some of the frames that I have now, which are also stored exactly the same way. At times I also put a sheet of bubble wrap between the frames for extra protection. For the greeting cards, I recently made a holder for better organization. This is made of foam sheet. If you would like a tutorial on it, I can make a video in future. Previously, I store them in small paper boxes that come with some biscuit packs. Both of these work in the same way, but this looks more organized. I put all the finished cards in one of the rows. And this is the printed card of one of my quilling made from the website inkmonk.in. You can check its link in the description where you can print your quilling designs in many different formats like cards, t-shirts, mugs, coasters and many more. This row contains some ready to use card making supplies. It has envelopes, pre-cut note cards for the base of greeting cards, and card layers, so it will make my card making faster. Hope you find this video useful. Like this video and subscribe if you are new here. Check my other videos on more quilling tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. After quilling my design, I just put these layers one above the other and add quilling above it, and it is ready to go. This way, card making is much easier and fun.